Hello, Brook Lyn. Hello. Oh, what was that? That was a hiccup. Do it again, do it again. Oh, and her eyes went cross too. Oh. You always got the stinking hiccups. What are you doing? I just took a bath and I'm feeling sexy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, Mom, you gotta give me some more boob juice so I can go to sleep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who's that baby? Who's that baby? I have pictures of you doing that within the womb, child. You and them fingers. Yep. Felt them things wiggling and jiggling inside of me. Ooh. Brook Lyn. Brook Lyn. Brook Lyn. I'm talking to you. Do not ignore me. Hello? Hello? Is anybody over there? How about you? What happened? You sneezed. That was a sneeze. I hate your pinkies. Why are your pinkies bend back like that? Mine don't bend back like that. Eee, stop it. Are you double jointed? Uh-oh. Okay, say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.